I've made it one of my objectives is calling these companies out, showing these products don't generate nitric oxide. They may contain good ingredients, but it's not a nitric oxide product.
And that's a huge point. I'm sorry to interrupt. That's a huge point because with us, and this is why we have guys like you, you know, so the viewers can hear from the horse's mouth. And I mean, at the top of the field, because, you know, a lot of times we're trying to help people and they're like, oh, I'll just buy these products over here because they're cheaper. We invest so much time, effort, resources, money into objective testing on what really works. And so that's why we bring guys like you to communicate to people like, hey, you can't just buy anything because 99% of the stuff that's out there is either fraudulent or non-effective.
Yeah, no, I've tested most, if not every single nitric oxide product on the market. And as you mentioned, 99% of them don't do anything.